What's up guys, back with another video. It's a new day and today I'm going to be fixating my other EGT sensor. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'll show you the code that the car is actually setting. Okay guys, here are the codes I'm fighting. I actually didn't know I had all these codes, but this is the main one. Oh shit. Oops. This one. Damn it. Oh. This one is the one that I'm trying to address at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the circuit board, see what happens. There's this one, exhaust gas temperature regulation for bank 1. Plausible signal, which kind of got me worried that maybe this chip isn't working. I don't know, but we're gonna replace this one and see what happens. So let's do that. Okay guys, so the first thing we gotta do is take out this white pipe, get it out of the way, and then we should have pretty easy access to that box right there. So let me do that real quick. So here's the box that I was talking about. Now we gotta kind of break it open. Which kind of sucks. The other one I kind of broke in half. We'll see how this goes. Yeah! One piece, hell yeah! I did it. So, now you can see there's the board, and there's like a bunch of like jelly stuff. Like jelly. It's not like dielectric grease. It's like thick and it like holds. Don't know what you would call that. But you gotta get the board out and you gotta cut it right there, right there, right there, and right there, and right there. And then you gotta get all that shit out of there as good as you can, because if you don't get it out of right where you gotta solder, it's gonna make it a pain to solder. So you gotta make sure to clean it out super good. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Bam. There's that. Oh, that little one. Right there, you can see is a lot darker than all the other ones. Like, see that one? That's like a normal one. That one's burnt up.
Two hours later.
Okay, so as you can see, I got it cleaned up pretty good. Good enough that I think we'll be alright. It's pretty tough to get it completely clean, but I'm happy with that. So first, I'm gonna see if I can kind of use the solder gun to heat up those pins to try and melt that stuff off. And then I'll get the board, and I got some double-sided tape. I'll put it onto the backing of that, and then I'll solder it down. So here we go. Okay guys, got it all back together. Nice and tight. Oh wait, I haven't got this. Bam, now it's back together. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear the codes and start her up. Oh yeah, looks like we're good. So I'm gonna wrap some things up and then we'll go for a drive. Alright guys, I'm out driving it now and we're here at the car wash. I'm gonna give it a wash.